Xumo is a free streaming service that works with your existing device remote, like Roku or Fire TV. To change channels, first launch the Xumo app. Then navigate to the Channels or Guide section. Use the directional buttons on your remote to highlight a channel and press OK or Enter to start watching. You can also quickly switch channels by using channel up-down buttons or entering the channel number directly if your remote has a keypad. Ensure your device is updated for the best experience, especially if you want to use voice commands with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. AI-powered suggestions are new in 2025 to give you content you want to see. Take advantage of voice control by pressing and holding the microphone button on your remote and saying "Change to channel name." If your remote supports it, use shortcuts like double-clicking for recent channels. For remote issues, restart your streaming device or check app permissions. Remember, channel availability depends on regional licensing, so local news options can vary. Also, with recent trends, remote are evolving into multifunctional devices. Xumo is now supporting remotes with haptic feedback and gesture controls. By 2027, remotes could auto-switch channels based on user mood or context via facial recognition.